learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
飘着粽香的端午节拉开了夏日的序幕，走访桃园龙潭正当时。龙潭观光大池是龙潭最重要的皮塘，1915年就在此举办第1届龙舟竞赛。今年同舟共度归乡文化季，有龙舟竞赛、水上高桩狮王争霸赛，以及客家诗全国水上浮台邀请赛，参加队伍扩大到200队。池畔还有青年微创市集及音乐会，夜晚则举行花火之夜，搭配水舞秀表演。大家一起到龙潭大池为选手加油吧！
Hello everyone, it's time to talk about Hakka here on Icrt. My name is Joseph Lin.
And I'm Nancy Sun.
Hey Nancy, you know there's a lot of boat races, competitions all over the world, right? There's sailing, there's canoeing. Have you ever been kayaking?
Kayaking? I think I flipped over in a boat once. White water rafting.
Oh, that's another one too, yeah. And here in the Chinese culture, we have a festival that embraces these boat races, right?
And I know exactly what that is. It's the Dragon Boat Festival.
Yes, and the Hakka have their own special one that takes place in Longtan. And I'll tell you more about it. But first of all, do you know how to say 端午节 or Dragon Boat Festival in Hakka?
I have no idea.
It's called 五月节,
五月节,
which literally means celebration on the 5th month. 五月节.
On the lunar calendar.
On the lunar calendar, exactly. And back to the Dragon Boat races. Have you ever seen one before?
Well, actually, we used to have Dragon Boat races in Toronto.
Oh, wow.
And it's like a huge summertime event.
Yes.
And you would fit like 20 people onto a boat, and it would happen on the river in the city. It's highly competitive.
Yeah, it's a race that runs right down the river, right? Well, here in Taoyuan Longtan, there's a different dragon boat race that takes place because it's on a small lake. And so they have to customize their boats to fit it in. So instead of, like you said, usually it's about 20 people, these smaller sized boat only fit about 12 people. And the race is a lot shorter. It's more like a dash. And they have to crouch in there and really give them their best.
Yeah, it's the 100-meter dash as opposed to like a marathon.
It's kind of like that, yeah. So it's really worth checking it out. And while you're at it, don't forget to check out some of the other things around Longtan. And don't forget to try out the sticky rice dumplings, or banzong is the Hakka one.
Food, always important.
Yes. Well, before eating, I think we should have Leo teach us some vocabulary. 所以端午节怎么说？
五月节。
五月节。And how about the Dragon Boat Race? 也就是划龙舟。
爬龙船。
爬龙船。Don't forget, if you missed this year's Dragon Boat Race in Longtan, you can always check it out again next year. And that does it for today's Talk About Hakka. 俺只say张蕊了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.